the Gianni and Jaylen Funhouse. Take on a big adventure. Today's adventure is a puppet show. That's right. Last video we didn't get 100 likes. But this video we're gonna get 100 likes. Slam that big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Give a big thumbs up and smack it. Leave us a comment below. Let's go make the puppet. You need socks. Next you need markers. For the hair you need yarn. Googly eyes for your puppet. And glue.
Jaylen.
For the vehicle.
And it's going in your
Puppet show.
yes.
Poster board for your background.
Are you ready to begin your project?
Yeah.
What do you have to do first, Jaylen?
The heel goes in the back.
Yes, and then you do what?
And you have to make a big circle in the front.
And that's for?
The mouth.
Okay, Gianni has a circle and he's just gonna fill his in. Gianni, are you filling in your circle?
Yes.
Okay.
It's so hard to get.
Just go, yeah, do it like that in lines.
But it's not going to concentrate.
Where are you putting your tongue? You might want to put your tongue in there first.
No, I'm going to put my tongue right here.
Okay. Okay, so which ones are you selecting for your puppet, Jaylen?
Blue eyes.
Gianni, which ones are you selecting? Are you picking the big ones or the little ones?
The medium ones.
Okay, so let's pick your eyes and put them on the table so we can see your eyes.
But how can we open them? I got mine.
Scissors.
I got mine.
And you only can use scissors with a what?
With a adult.
Yes.
But I'm just a big kid now. You're not just a big kid. Alright. Medium eyes. This is medium, right?
You got your eyes? Good. Now put your pack up there, yes. You got your eyes?
Yep.
Okay.
Want me
So
to put them
now
on?
open your glue, yes.
Okay. Open the glue bottle and put the glue onto the googly eye. So if you put it on to the sock, and if you put it on, it might not stick on. Like that.
Okay, so this is Jaylen's. One sec. Don't move it. Don't move it because your eyes gonna fall off.
Whoa. The glue.
And Gianni is gluing.
Mine was 2 double eyes of mist.
Now, while we wait for this, how are you gonna make your hair?
Like it's gonna be.
I put glue on the top and then I yarn a hair on it.
Are you trimming it or that's how it's gonna stay?
I'm trimming it.
Okay, Jaylen, you are doing what hairstyle?
Trim.
A mohawk.
Okay, so now you're going to take yours and you're gonna glue it right down the middle of your sock.
My name for my puppet is Woody. This guy's name is Jeff.
Okay, so they just have to dry and we are going
Mine
to,
is already dried, I think.
we have to work on the backgrounds
So
for the puppet show.
What do you like to draw? Leave me a comment.
So what is your scene exactly?
My scene's gonna be outside
Adventure.
You're gonna make an adventure scene?
Yep.